Hi guys, so we're getting ready for our lunch break. Lunch date. Yay! Kuya, say hi naman for our... Oh, so sasama ka? So... Parang hindi ka kasama. Parang... Okay guys, let's go. We're going to a barbecue. Ano yon? Yung pupunta natin. Korean barbecue. Come on guys. Okay, we're going guys.
Alright, go.
Okay, thank you.
I have teenagers.
Okay guys, so makikisakay kami dito. Siyempre, para tipid gas. Kasali ba itong... Ay, dito ka rin?
Oy, katerno mo, ano, Peter, yung ano niya, o pink.
Ay,
Excuse
dito
me.
rin pala siya. Okay.
Coming in.
Am I in or out? Oh, sige, mag-ano ka na, mag-blanket ka na, parang... Easy naman, napakaganda naman ng driver. Grabe. Oh, see? And of course, andito ang, siyempre, ang pa-star. Oh.
Naman.
Puso, ramdam ko.
Okay.
Pauso.
Di ba? Ano naman masasabi mo? Sinama ka na ngayon kahit na good for ano lang to.
Okay lang yun, dahil Korean barbecue yan.
Okay.
Dahil kaya hindi nyo ako sinama nung nakaraan dahil mga pabida kayo.
Oh. See guys, nag-iinarte na naman.
Kaya kayo,
Look at the bag.
oh,
See?
ano yung bag ko? Meron pang ano. Sabi mo, yeah, look at my bag.
Look at
It still
his
has
bag.
the,
Yeah, it still have the tag.
no, not the
Kasi
tag.
balak
How do
niya,
you call that?
balak niya pang ibenta guys. Say hi naman, ikaw naman.
Kanina pang high ng high ha.
Ay, suplada.
Ang ganda pala ng skin ko, no?
Yes, of course.
Bye.
Bye. Okay guys, so we're here in Korean barbecue. Yay! Eto na tayo guys, waiting tayo kasi meron tayong reservations at ito nga napakaganda ng lugar, napaka-cozy. Walang masyadong tao kasi weekdays guys. So, while waiting for our table, nagpunta muna kami ni Peter sa restroom at napadaan nga kami sa mga tables at napaka-luwag. Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Be The Best! So, dito tayo ngayon guys sa isang Korean barbecue, what do you call this? Amber. So, this is Amber Korean barbecue and this is, I think, it all you can. Kaya mag-enjoy tayo guys. Come on guys! Look, diba? May pa-painting. See? Really nice. Okay? So guys, samahan niyo kami. Lasang time. Mwah! So ayan na nga guys, nakapili na sila. Naku po Hi Rose! Ayan. Okay guys, so dito na tayo. Kailangan mabilisan kasi lunch natin. Ayan na. Dito Okay, so ayan guys. Okay guys, so dahil hindi ako marunong gumamit nito, so pwede tayo mag-request ng kutsara at tinidor. Ayan, syempre. Hindi ako mabubusog guys pag ito. Okay, so kukuha muna ako ng kutsara at tinidor. Ayan no. Syempre hindi ako makakuha ng ganyan no. What is that small fish? So, 60 requesting for a small dried fish. Ano sa'yo? Ano sabi? Ayan. Okay, so we're waiting for our spoon. Oh, who wants to report? Okay, so sa mga, na mag-ahit at ikaw yung okay. Okay, we will try this one. Okay, no? That's the rabbit, and that's the rabbit. Ito yung rabbit, yan, nakapindot na.
Ulitin mo le.
Oh my gosh, take 2. Okay guys, so tayo na nga magluluto. And this is what you call the, ano kasi stand?
Rib eye.
Rib eye. And then, This bulgogi. And then, that's it. Okay. Wow. Oh, thank you so much. So we have rice. There you go. Rice, and we have this one again. So, pwede ba tayo dito? Yeah, thank you. Okay. Okay guys, so mukhang ito lang ang makakain ko.
Yung natin kita kapatagal maluto eh. No?
Pwede mo yatang ikwan yan eh. Yung lakasan, kapatid. Kasi sa kanila lutoon na oh.
Nauna naman sila sa akin.
Kapatid, meron din ba tayo yung ano?
Kasi ano si Mari, here di sa mga kapanchan.
Bonchon? Can I have
She
some?
wants this.
And saka ito.
Yeah.
Oh, this is for the smoke.
Yeah, so this one.
Presensya na. Wala sa bundok. So, ganyan pala guys, for the smoke pala yan. Ano ka, pork belly? Okay, that's pork belly. And then that's the one, ayan, pati nga yan.
Kailangan ko malupa. Hindi ako lang natin. Dito ko
Okay naman natin, itabi-tabi mo muna yung mga yan. Yan, ganun. Pak, ganun. Okay, yung mga kusinera.
niluto yun. Dito pa tayo matapos guys.
Hindi na, kailangan magbilisan na. Okay guys, binigyan na kayo ng paninda namin. Ayan, okay, diba bilis na magalo. Ayan, oh. Ayan, kasi kayo tutunog pagka, ano, ayan. Bakit kasi iba yung ano, ito, hindi na siya roll. Di ba kanina naka-roll to? Bakit ngayon hindi na roll? Guys, it's time for dessert. So, I chose ube, sherbet cups. Ano? Okay, so this is the sherbet. This is sherbet cups to eh. This is ubi bars, okay? Okay guys, thank you for the
It's yummy,
sumptuous
no?
lunch.
Actually, yung Tupperware mo.
Yeah. Thank you so much guys. We enjoy. What do you have? Strawberry? Kuya have ube? Okay, and I have ube also. Okay, sila wala. Wala silang sherbet. Thank you guys for this wonderful day that we have a lot of food. Thank you for all the blessings,
But we
Lord.
cannot take this home.
Yeah, but the problem is we cannot take this home. No balot, guys. No take out. Okay? So, thank you, Rose. That's our manager, Rose, and Kuya. Thank you. And also thanks to our boss.
Dito, iinit lang nila.
Okay? So, see you again and have a good day. Be the best. Okay, guys, so we're going now. So, see. Okay, back to work. So, diba? And I still have this one. Come on, Peter. So, Peter is still... Ano naman yung drama mo sa blanket mo? Malamig. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Kuya. Okay. So, here we go. Going home. Go back to work, guys.